UK Highway Code. Rule 125. Speed limits. The speed limit is the absolute maximum and does not mean it is safe to drive at that speed, irrespective of conditions. Unsafe speed increases the chances of causing a collision or being unable to avoid one, as well as its severity. Inappropriate speeds are also intimidating, deterring people from walking, cycling, or riding horses. Driving at speeds too fast for the road and traffic conditions is dangerous. You should always reduce your speed, particularly in the following situations. 1. When the road layout or condition presents hazards, such as bends. 2. When sharing the road with pedestrians, particularly children, older adults or disabled people, cyclists and horse riders, horse-drawn vehicles and motorcyclists. 3. When weather conditions make it safer to do so. And 4. When driving at night, as it is more difficult to see other road users.